Let's write the formula for proiotic acid. So first off, when we're talking about proiotic acid, there are different forms of it. There's a meta and an ortho form. We're going to be talking about metaproiotic acid. Usually that's just called proiotic acid. So when we have an acid like this here, acids in general, they begin with H. So we'll have our hydrogen here. We'll just put that at the front of our acid. Next, we note that in front of our proiotic acid, it doesn't say hydro. So we don't have the hydro there. That means we're going to have three elements, and we're going to have a polyatomic ion involved in the formula. So when we look at the name, we have our stem here, and then we have the ending IC. So stem plus IC right here. So we're going to write the stem, and then we'll take the ending, this IC here, the IC, and replace that with 8. ATE. So this ion, we can look this up on an ion table of polyatomic ions, and then we can just write the formula right here. I don't see this on my table of ions, so if I go out to the web and look this up, it's IO4 minus. And the negative, that applies to the whole thing here. So now we need to balance the charges. We have 1 minus. Hydrogen group 1 is 1 plus, so plus and minus, that balances out. So this is the formula for proiotic acid. And again, note, this is the meta form. There's a link in the description for more information about the ortho form. But in a general chemistry setting, this is probably what you're talking about. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.